Now, what is reinforcement? So, what is reinforcement? Reinforcement is a stronger component of a composite materials that provides improved mechanical strength, stiffness, toughness. It can be different from such as the fiber particles or whiskers. So this is a kind of the material which is going to be used in the composites. Okay. So what are the types of reinforcement? First, we have decide what is the types of what was it types of composite materials, right? Here we are going to use the types of reinforcement. Okay. First one is the fiber based reinforcement. First one, the glass fiber, carbon fiber. Okay. For the glass fiber, low cost, lightweight, good tensile strength. Used in the boats, cars, and sports equipment. If we talk about the carbon fiber, then we are having high strength, low weight, high stiffness. Used in aerospace, Formula One cars, prosthetics. These are the just example of carbon fiber based, carbon fiber reinforced based composite. Aramid fiber, or which is known as the Kevlar, high impact resistance, lightweight, used in the bulletproof vest, helmets. These are being used. These are the just example. I mean, if you talk about the helmets, a good helmet would have having the composite materials in which the reinforcement material of aramid fiber. Boron fiber, the high strength and stiffness, good thermal stability. Okay, used in the aerospace structures. Now, on the base of the particle reinforcement. So, small particles dispersed in the matrix improve the hardness and wear resistance. You know what is wear resistance? What is hardness? We have already discussed these all terms. You must have this all definition in your head while you are reading these all. Otherwise, you will get messed up and you would not be able to differentiate, and you would be not in condition to read these all, because material science is a very difficult subject. As if you don't have an interest, because similarities are very common in this subject. Everything is repeating again and again, and we are very not sure how to differentiate, because the same term is using again and again in different aspects. Okay, so small particles dispersed in the matrix improve the hardness and wear resistance. Example: the silicon carbide, tungsten carbide, alumina, okay, used in the cutting tools and coatings and bricks pad. These are the examples of their applications. Third one is nanomaterials reinforcement. The first one is carbon. Sorry, first one is the fiber, right? First one was the fiber reinforcement. Second was the particle reinforcement. Third one is which is C, nano material reinforcement. So used in the graphene, uses graphene, carbon nanotubes, or nano clays. These all are being used as a reinforcement material inside the composites. Okay, these days what composites are very frequently used, and they are the composite which are being focused by the researchers is of having this type of reinforcement, the nanomaterials. Okay, so enhance mechanical properties, electrical and thermal properties, used in lightweight structures, batteries, flexibility, electronics. These are the examples.